Welcome to NeoNexus. Today we embark on a journey to one of the most extraordinary places on Earth, a land where nature's power and beauty collide in spectacular fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an adventure into the world's most fascinating wonders. Deep in the heart of North America, Yellowstone National Park stretches across Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. It's a vast wilderness of vibrant hot springs, erupting geysers, and dense ancient forests teeming with life. But beneath this breathtaking beauty, a colossal force is quietly stirring. The Yellowstone Caldera, one of the world's largest and most active volcanic systems, lies hidden just below the surface. Unlike the classic cone-shaped volcanoes, Yellowstone is a vast caldera, a giant depression left behind by cataclysmic eruptions that shaped the landscape thousands of years ago. Its famous geysers, like Old Faithful, are powered by a massive chamber of molten magma miles beneath the ground, fueling spectacular eruptions of steam and water. The ground here literally breathes, rising and falling in response to immense pressures deep underground, a constant reminder of the restless energy below. For millions of visitors, Yellowstone is a place of wonder and awe. For scientists, it's a living laboratory, offering rare insights into the Earth's inner workings and the forces that shape our planet. The volcanic soil here supports lush forests and a remarkable diversity of wildlife, from bison and elk to wolves and bears, all intricately linked to the park's geothermal activity. Even in the harshest winters, hot springs provide warmth, and their unique chemical waters nurture life forms found nowhere else on Earth, including vibrant microbial mats. Yellowstone's ecosystem is a delicate balance, built on the edge of immense power and constant change, where every living thing is connected to the fiery heart below. This is a world shaped by fire and water, still very much alive beneath our feet, its story written in steam, stone, and time. And now, that giant is showing new signs of awakening, reminding us that Yellowstone's story is far from over, and its next chapter may be the most dramatic yet. To truly understand the mysteries of Yellowstone, you first need to know what a caldera is and why it matters. Picture a volcano erupting with such unimaginable force that its entire magma chamber empties in moments, causing the ground above to collapse and create a gigantic crater. This is a caldera, one of nature's most dramatic features. Yellowstone's caldera was formed by such a cataclysmic eruption 631,000 years ago, an event so powerful it blanketed much of North America in ash, disrupted ecosystems, and even altered the global climate for years. But this isn't just ancient history. The vast magma chamber beneath Yellowstone remains active to this day, slowly refilling with molten rock, keeping the supervolcano very much alive. Teams of scientists constantly monitor ground shifts, analyze gas chemistry, and track thousands of small earthquakes each year, all to decode the hidden activity happening deep below the surface. Yellowstone offers a rare and invaluable window into the workings of an active supervolcano, providing crucial lessons for monitoring volcanic hazards not just here, but around the world. Every steaming vent and bubbling mud pot acts as a natural safety valve, releasing pressure from the depths and hinting at the restless energy below. Scientists carefully analyze these features for subtle chemical changes, important clues that could signal magma is rising or that new activity is brewing. The data gathered from Yellowstone helps refine early warning systems, improving our ability to predict and respond to volcanic eruptions everywhere on the planet. It's a tireless, ongoing investigation into some of the planet's most powerful and unpredictable forces, demanding constant vigilance and innovation. And right now, those ancient forces are quietly stirring beneath Yellowstone, reminding us of the dynamic world we live in. As of October 2025, scientists have detected a rapid and unusual ground uplift in Yellowstone. The ground is rising faster and more locally than in decades, especially at the Sour Creek and Mallard Lake domes. These domes are swelling at several inches per month, a pace that has volcanologists on high alert. This isn't normal breathing. The speed and focus of the uplift suggest a significant pressure buildup below. It could be new magma intruding or expanding steam and gases. Either way, it's a major shift. Rapid uplift can trigger earthquakes and new steam vents, or even small explosions. This discovery is the result of meticulous, continuous monitoring by experts. Something powerful is happening beneath Yellowstone and the world is watching. How do scientists know the ground is rising? The answer lies in a blend of curiosity, technology, and relentless observation. Not with tape measures, but with cutting-edge tech that can sense the Earth's tiniest movements. High-precision GPS stations are scattered across Yellowstone, detecting ground movements as small as a fraction of an inch. Changes invisible to the naked eye, but vital for understanding what's happening below. Satellites equipped with INSAR radar sweep over the landscape, creating detailed maps that reveal exactly where the ground is swelling or sinking, sometimes over vast areas. These advanced tools let scientists track the caldera's every move in real time, providing a constant stream of crucial data. Uplift is a key sign of volcanic unrest. Something deep underground is pushing up from below, distorting the surface. It could be magma rising or steam expanding as groundwater heats up. Both are powerful forces that reshape the land. Distinguishing between these causes is crucial for predicting what comes next, and for keeping people safe. If magma is the culprit, the risk of eruption rises. If it's steam, dangerous explosions are still possible, threatening the park and its visitors. Uplift often comes with earthquake swarms, another warning sign that the system is restless and shifting. Even without a full eruption, rapid pressure changes can trigger violent steam explosions, blasting open new craters in an instant. These blasts can hurl rocks and boiling water, threatening anyone nearby and leaving lasting scars on the landscape. Every measurement is a clue in the race to understand Yellowstone's next move, piecing together the story of a living, breathing Earth. The stakes couldn't be higher. Yellowstone's breath is a reminder of the planet's power and our need to listen closely. Yellowstone's ground has always shifted, rising, falling, and tilting over millennia. Since the 1920s, scientists have tracked cycles of uplift and subsidence, learning how the magma system breathes. A major uplift from 2004 to 2010 saw the ground rise up to 3 inches per year, prompting more intense monitoring. These cycles taught scientists to distinguish normal unrest from real danger. What's different now? The uplift is faster and more focused on the resurgent domes, prime spots for future eruptions. This deviation from past patterns has triggered a higher alert. Scientists are watching for acceleration, shallower earthquakes, and changes in escaping gases, signs that could mean trouble. The consequences of increased activity at Yellowstone are serious. More earthquakes could damage nearby towns. Sudden steam explosions could devastate tourist areas. The park's ecosystem, plants, animals, and microbes could be thrown into chaos by rapid changes. Even a small eruption could blanket the region in ash, disrupting travel, agriculture, and daily life. Ash is heavy, abrasive, and can cripple infrastructure and electronics. Air travel could be halted for days, and the economic impact would be massive. That's why monitoring and transparency are vital. Data is shared quickly with agencies and the public. Preparation and clear communication are key to minimizing risk. Yellowstone's stirring is a matter of national and global importance. The world is watching, and readiness is everything. In the face of Yellowstone's power, knowledge is our best defense. Scientists at the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory and USGS monitor the caldera around the clock. They use GPS, INSAR, seismometers, gas sampling, and thermal cameras to track every sign of unrest. A color-coded alert system, green, yellow, orange, red, guides public warnings. The current uplift has scientists on edge, but any alert change is based on solid evidence, not panic. The observatory works with the National Park Service and emergency agencies to plan for every scenario. Evacuation routes, communication strategies, and public education are all in place. The goal: timely, accurate information to keep people safe. Yellowstone reminds us of Earth's power and our responsibility to understand and respect it. By supporting science and staying informed, we can face the future with wonder, not fear.